Hey everybody, Project 127. Here is Southwestern's 195, a 2023 Bluebird Vision gasoline powered. I'm pretty sure it's gas. We'll check on the other side. But yeah, the only one they have, gas powered bus. Pretty cool to see. It's got the Godzilla engine. Sounds amazing. Let's see, yep, unleaded gasoline. Pretty cool. Don't like how they put the route changer there, but where else are they gonna put it? Oh, I don't know if you guys have seen this on the newer version. Let me check this out for you. No longer has the fuse box anymore. Yeah. I don't know, you think they started at 22 or 23? I can't remember. Check the build date. There's the build date. Driver's area. There's the mileage. Yeah. This must be a late 23, I'm guessing. Like right before the remodel happened. Here's the new switches, by the way. That's what they look like. The new switches. It's funny, they still got the old ones up here. But yeah,